Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. From this video, we are just starting a new section of this Fast API tutorial series, and that is query parameter. So in this video, we will discuss about the query parameter and how to pass the value using URL. So here you can see we have this URL and I have made each section in different colors so we can just understand this structure. So the first is HTTPS. So HTTPS is a protocol that we are using here, and this HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and this S for secure. So it is used to ensure encrypted communication over the internet. And one another is HTTP, and that is not secure. So generally we use these both, and for security reason HTTPS. The second, this green, is our main domain. Okay, so for in this is api.example.com, but this could be google.com, yahoo.com, and facebook.com, anything. Okay, after that, this blue part is path parameter that we have seen in last few videos, and after that this question mark. So this question mark indicates that we are starting query. Okay, so here you can see the query parameter indicator, the question mark, the beginning of the query string. Okay, so in this query string we use key value combination. So here you can see this query is key and after equal to its value, and here you can see this %20. So this denotes the space character. As you know, we don't have any space in the URLs, and for that, if we have any space, we just convert that into %20 or a plus sign. So generally use %20, but you can also use plus sign. And after that we have this ampersand, and that is the separator of another query parameter. So the ampersand sign, and after that this limit is the key and its value is 10. Again one ampersand and then the sort and this ASC. Okay, so this red part is key and this blue part is value. So this is the structure of a URL in which we pass query. Okay, so from the next video we will just start our practical session on query parameter. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.